Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reduce the file size of your projects when you try to export it on CapCut PC. So here, let's say I want to export this project right here. So I'm going to click on the export button at the top. Okay, so if you find that the file size is too large, so the size currently on my project is a 26 megabyte, and let's say this is too big for me. So if you want to change the size, you can easily use this trick. You can go to the resolution in here under the video section and change the quality. So let's use, for example, 1080p. So this one currently 26, and if you use the if you select a lower resolution, it will automatically reduce the file size. So now it's only 16 megabyte. So you can just click on export, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.